unload the dishwasher. Hello. Say hi, Gus Gus.
Hello.
What are you doing? I'm trying to unload the dishwasher, man. I still got the top rack. Come here, buddy. Come on. You say hi? Say hello.
It's like I'm not gonna say hello.
Here he goes. He's such a good boy. He's a good boy. You say hi? Say hello. Say hi, Rebecca. Hello.
Like, what are you doing?
All right, I'll see you later.